Hi guys, welcome back. It's another week and another essential oil. So this week we're going to talk about Breathe. It's a clean, airy, and refreshing. It is the most popular essential oil blend to diffuse in the office, in the bathrooms, or in the child play areas. It's to help support clearer breathing. This best-selling respiratory blend also available in drops, and this amazing vapor stick. I got this, I've been using it frequently this week because Erica earlier this week woke up with a really strange cough. So I put it on the back of her, down their spine, and a little on her chest before she goes to bed, when she wakes up in the morning, before she goes to school. And I also diffuse Breathe with On Guard, and it gives her a more restful sleep for sure. You can inhale from your palms or put it on your chest, bottom of your feet when seasonal and environmental threats are high. So in California, I don't know if you've been following the news, we had some pretty wild wildfires, and I noticed an uptick of usage of Breathe from the residents here to help them relieve of those environmental threats. It's designed to clear the airways. It has lemon, eucalyptus, peppermint, cardamom, and melaleuca. So eucalyptus and peppermint have a high concentration of menthol, and that element helps relieve respiratory discomfort. You can go ahead, combine it with lemon and take internally, and that will help support your respiratory system because lemon acts as an anti-inflammatory. Hi, John. If you are a hiker, a camper, backpacker, or just love being outdoors, put it on topically and then enjoy your time outside. So that's it for this little guy. I'm going to leave the link to my website so you can dive a little deeper if you're curious to know more information about this oil and all the other oils that I've talked about. There's a blog, there's brochures. Hi, Mikey. And then next week we will talk about melaleuca, tea tree, one of my favorite oils. I'm going to need to get some soon. I cannot wait to share what that oil does and how I use it in my daily routine. Okay, see you guys later.